Have you ever wondered what it would be like to step back in time, to roam the streets of a medieval town where knights once tread and merchants once bartered? Welcome to the heart of Tuscany, to the enchanting town of San Gimignano. The cobbled streets of this UNESCO World Heritage Site lead you through a labyrinth of history where each soaring tower narrates a tale of rivalry and prestige. San Gimignano is not just a town, it's an experience. It's the taste of gelato savored under a 14th century tower's shadow. It's the resonance of centuries past that echo through charming piazzas and quaint shops. It's the world-renowned Vernaccia wine, a taste of the past in every sip. But the journey doesn't stop here. The Tuscan adventure continues as you journey through vineyards and olive groves to the iconic city of Pisa. Here, the Leaning Tower, a testament to the marvels of medieval engineering, captivates and astounds. And as the day unfolds, prepare for a feast not just for your palate, but for your soul. A winery lunch amidst the undulating Tuscan hills, where the flavors of the region are served with the warmth of its people. And then, as the day draws to a close, witness a spectacle that is nothing short of magical. A Tuscan sunset, painting the sky with hues so vivid it's like stepping into an artist's palette. This is more than just a journey through time, it's an immersion into the soul of Italy. It's your chance to seize the day, to grab life by the Chianti bottle, and to make memories that will last a lifetime. So, pack your bags and strap on your adventure boots. The medieval marvels of Tuscany await. The question isn't whether you should do it, it's how soon can you book. Your time traveler's delight awaits in San Gimignano, Tuscany's treasure trove of history and beauty. Don't just read about history, come and live it.